Best views of beautiful San Antonio. Built in 1968 as the centerpiece for the World's Fair, Tower of the Americas stands 750 feet above the sprawling Malibu City. If you were to take the stairs up, it might relax and enjoy the sunset skyward. Our first stop is Chart House Restaurant, serving legendary steaks and seafood as guests overlook the bustling cityscape below as the restaurant slowly rotates 360 degrees. Grab a cocktail and quick drink at Bar 601 and enjoy happy hour Monday through Friday. Our second and final stop will be the observation deck here at Tower of the Americas. Breathtaking panoramic views await. Throughout the observation level, we have information identifying landmarks and telling just a few tales of Texas' colorful history. Thank you for visiting Tower of the Americas. We're so glad you're here and we hope you enjoy your visit.
All right, to your right is the observation deck.
Show how